Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so we have got some brands that are going to be in the April base box and also the April premium box. If you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read that first comment from my last video, which was for the BoxyCharm April base box. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, hi, Mandy. Well, hi, Pauline, honey. It's good to see you. Thank you so much for having your bell on and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. Never know. Might pick you. Stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. I'm going to start off with the BoxyCharm base box. Now, this again is for April. Now, the base box is going to be worth up to $180. And the brands that are going to be in this box, get ready, y'all. Get excited. First up is Benefit Cosmetics. I love Benefit. I love their primers. I do love their primers. And we know that's one thing that's going to be in a base box. So I'm pretty sure that's what is going to be by Benefit in the box. Next up is Zoeva. So, of course, you know, she's got palettes. She's got all kinds of stuff. So it's going to be a surprise. Now, I know they already done the Zoeva palette, so I don't know if that'll be in there, if that's what's going to be in there or what, but guess we'll have to wait and see. Next up is LMS. Now, you know they do a lot of skincare. I really do love their brand. They got a lot of hydrating stuff, which my skin is dry as the Sahara Desert, so I'm excited to see that. And then last but certainly not least, they are going to put Dose of Colors in the box. So, again, we already got some lippies by them. So I can't wait to see what else they put in there. Now let's jump into the April Premium BoxyCharm box. So now really get excited. I'm really excited about one of these, y'all. So first up is Natasha Denona. Now again, she's got a lot of expensive products, but a lot of great products. I've heard great reviews on her stuff, so I can't wait to see what that's going to be. Next up is Smashbox Cosmetics, and of course, you know that's one of those classic brands that I just, you know, I've always loved anything that I've ever got from them, so I can't wait to see what they got. And next up is Cover FX. Now, this brand, you know, they have a lot of different stuff. And they try something new with their stuff, so I can't wait to see what that is. Next up is Becca Cosmetics. Again, another classic brand. You know, everybody fell in love with Champagne Pop from Jaclyn Hill. They just got some really great stuff, so I can't wait to see that. Next up is Stila Cosmetics. Again, now, this is one of those elegant brands, very classy, so I can't wait to see what they throw in there from there. And last but certainly not least is Lunar Beauty. If you're not familiar with Lunar Beauty, that is Manny MUA's brand. Now, I know he's got some lippies and he's got some palettes. I know he's got that strawberry palette, the Moon Spell, also the Greek Goddess highlighting palette, and the Life's a Drag palette. And he's always put out lippies with his palettes. Now, I know Raw Beauty Christy, she's always bragging about this one lippy by him, lip gloss or whatever. So I can't wait to see what it's going to be. I'm pretty sure it's going to be one of them palettes, y'all. So I'm excited to see which one. So again, as soon as they reveal anything, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Oh, I hope I say this right, y'all. Congratulations, Melissa. Is it Rivas? I hope I said that right, honey. Anyways, Melissa says, I want the hydrating one. You said Ipsy in the video, but this is a boxy spoiler. Thank you so much, Melissa, for bringing that to my attention. Now, I did go and correct that in my comments. You know, I slip up like that every once in a while because I've been putting out so many spoilers. It's just ridiculous. So I try not to mix them up like that, but sometimes I do that, y'all. And I really appreciate you paying attention, Melissa. Thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, if you would double check and make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube unsubscribes people. I don't know why. I think it's because they don't like me, but guess what? I don't like them either. So you know what? Don't tell them. Let's keep that in between us. But anyways, guys, if you would double check that, and if you're not, why the hell not? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch every spoiler. And I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. Love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.